In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to change Google Drive account for WhatsApp backup. Let's get started. First, launch your WhatsApp, navigate to the U page, then head over to the option Chats. Here, you're going to find the option of Chat Backup. Click on that. Here you'll see the Google account that's currently being used to store your WhatsApp backups. To switch to a different account, simply tap on the current Google account. A list of Google accounts already signed in on your device will appear. Select the account you want to use for future backups. If the account is not listed, you can add it to your phone through your device Google account settings. After selecting the new account, WhatsApp may ask you to grant a few permissions. Accept them to complete the setup. Once the account has been changed, you'll notice that the last backup status may show never. That's completely normal because this is a new backup location. To create your first backup on the new Google Drive account, simply tap Backup and WhatsApp will begin uploading your chats and media to the newly selected account. And that's it. From now on, all your future backups will be saved to your new Google Drive account. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.